Start sending us your video from your streaming software to go live. Isn't it? Isn't it doing that? Hello? Shows that I'm live. Huh. Weird. Cool. Hello, everybody? Okay. So, I had a thought here. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to do a little game jam because my current setup with my game that I'm making is 2D and 3D, and the 3D crashes the GPU. Isn't that great? Isn't that nice? I could show you the crash. I don't want to do it, but I could show you the crash. It doesn't break the system. I just have to shut down the graphics driver and restart it, but I don't want to do that because it's better to just reboot and start fresh with a graphics driver that hasn't crashed. So I thought about doing this quick little jam. I'm going to build it's going to be a space arena. It's going to be similar to League of Legends, Smite, that kind of a arena. Not necessarily 3 lanes, 2 lanes, 1 lane, 5 lanes, 20 lanes. It's going to be pretty interesting. I don't actually know. Am I live? Are we live? Is it live streaming? Like, what if I go here and look? Does it show? It's going to be similar to League of... Okay, so it is showing up. Interesting. Yeah, that's good. So, I'm not sure how the chat works in this as well. Let me go ahead and start up my second screen here. Can I turn on my TV? I think I've got to... Hold on. Okay, well, apparently it works. Apparently we are streaming on YouTube, so I guess that means we're going to make a little home in streaming on YouTube. Let's see, where can we put this? Do I even need this? I don't think I need this. Now this. I think I need this, and doesn't it have the chat in here? Didn't it say the chat was in here? Let's see. Okay, I don't want to double loop everything here. Let's see what we got. Mute that. Okay. So let's go into here and see if I say, hey, hi, ho there, how? I don't see that in the chat. Did that appear here in the chat? Yes. So that's a bit awkward. OBS took my message, sent it in there, but it does not show chat. Oh. Weird. And now it's got, oh gosh, OBS, you're just... So I have to keep OBS like open or something? I don't like that. Oh, that's weird. OBS, you are weird, weird program. I can't even minimize it. It's Alright, we're not going to comment on other programmers' work. We're just going to... Okay, what is it showing? Oh my gosh. So, display capture, it's... Where do I have to click? No? Let's see, add display capture, game capture, display capture. Display capture 2, make source visible. How do I change the source? Usually it's just click on it. Oh wait, there you go. Okay. And again, if I minimize that, then it does not allow me to see the chat. But I can see it up here, so we're good. Alright, I think we can actually start. I think we can start. Hold the phone. Oh wait, is that wanting to upload? Space Menace. Alright, let's see how this one works. Is that going to be good? I think that'll be good. Okay, do we have anybody in the chat? Is my chat anybody? I think we might be ready to stream. Actually, I'm ready for lunch now, thank you very much, but let me go get another little drink. Sorry if you heard the cussing while I was setting things up. I specifically tell YouTube that this is not for the children. Now, where does chat go when I do that? Does it go into the... That is so... Computer? Oh. Huh. Okay, OBS is weird. I don't like that. Okay, we're gonna, for those of you watching this in the future, just watch my current stream, don't watch this. No, I'm kidding. My computer's currently broken. I'm gonna do a little game jam. We're gonna build right now from scratch. Okay, what do we got going? We got this. Is there a better demo that I could use? Or a better project that I could use to start this little project? See, how do I know how many people are watching? It says one watching now. I think that's me. So, hey, me. Oh, here we go. We can change the details right here. Excuse me. So where do I go now? Oh, save it. Save it right there. Okay, cool. So let me go back to where I was at. And now can I go to... Where do I actually have to go? There. And then just go back here. Welcome to live chat. Remember to guard your privacy and abide by our community guidelines. Okay. Okay, so I updated that. Does it show the update? 2D Space Arena Game Jam time. So if you're watching this right now, or in the future, I'm actually just getting set up. Feel free to join the game jam, okay? It'd be really cool if I get 3 more subscribers, guys. I'm just saying, okay? No, no, feel free to join the game jam. Let me know. I'm not going to do this as an official game jam. This is just like maybe some of you might see this and think, oh. But actually, it's just going to be completed when I get my new computer. Maybe if it works out here, when I finish making the game. So let me see. What I usually do is I look through my videos and I look for the demo that I think would be bum, 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 bum. Oh, this is cool music. I love Starbound. Don't you love Starbound? Bum, 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 bum. So if this is going to be a space arena, what if we use those? What if we use my, I could do that. I could do that. Boy, I want some more of that Mountain Dew. Well, you really get to hear the music nicely when you just listen to the soundtrack. It's so great. Bum, bum. Alright, stay focused. We gotta find... What do we want to do? What do we want to do? Well, not sure what I want to do with this. So what graphics do we need? I've already got the little map here, but what graphics do we need? We need a graphic for the base. Graphics. Okay, we need a base. Okay, we need a tower. We need minions. We need a player. Okay. And then the minions can be little spaceships. And the player can also be a spaceship. Okay. And then we also need some form of like... I don't want to do melee. Let's just do everything like projectile. Some kind of projectile. With at least 2 different colors, but 2 different types would be good is what I'm thinking. 2 types, you know, for the minions and then for the player. Actually, the tower also needs a projectile. So 3 types. We can use sprites. Let's do this for just a second here. Where's open game art? Let's move that up. Oh, well, I've got you on stream. Actually, I'll wait till I have viewers. Open game art. Let's look. Okay, so first of all, let's type in space and search. Should we go to 2D? That looks cool. Bullets. Look at what's this one? This package includes new sprites, separate PNG files, 270. I can merge them. I haven't merged. I have not merged. Oh, cool. Wait a minute. We've got ships in here. Hold on. Ships, projectiles. There's some projectile stuff. Whoa. The base. The towers. Oh, hold on, dude. Minions. Little minions. Okay, hold up. We may have just found our graphics. Let's download that. Kenny, support the creation of game assets. Copyright attribute notion credit kenny.nl or kenny.nl. This is not mandatory. Huh. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. That looks good right there. We could use that right there. Sprite sheet. Oh. 2x. What's 2x? This is 1133 by, okay, and what's this one? 2262, okay. There's a slightly different configuration. Boy, the graphics are a little close. I don't trust OpenGL's sprites. Oh, and then it has all this stuff, so... Oh boy. I like that though. I like that. Alright, well, since this work has already been done for us, let's take a little bit of time and let's just get used to the graphics here and see what we can work with. Okay, I see. So you can build these buildings. With these different segments. So do they have completed buildings or... Oh, nice. See, they have the completed buildings and then they have solar panels and stuff. And look at that. Sweet. This is amazing. Maybe I'm glad my computer broke, because I wouldn't be looking at doing all this cool stuff. Space parts. All right. Missiles. Meteors. Those are meteors? Oh. Okay, so just looking at that, I think we can use some of these graphics. So for the base, I think we can use, yeah. What in the world? Where's the really cool one? Where's the real? Because those are really cool. Alright, we're getting closer. Let's leave the music at that level for you guys. I'm going to turn it down for me. Alright. So we could use this as the base. Or this could be the base. These could be the towers. This could be the base. Or this could be the base. Or, I don't know. I really like this one. This one I would love to have as the towers. But we could also have some add-ons to it. We could have some add-ons to it. And then this could be the base at home. The home base. Okay. I think they'd be alright. What is the size of these? It doesn't really matter. These are a decent size. They're not going to take... I don't have to shrink it or anything? Okay. Excuse me. So, excuse me. So let's start to build this here. Let's go into here. Oh boy. Okay, let's go here then. Okay. So let's just create a new folder here. And let's go like this. Let's go with what we're going to use for this. Let's just go arena. Okay. And can I actually open that up? And then let's do this. So the arena is going to be up here. Then we'll come back over here. Whoop, floopity floop. Let's go here. Vector, PNG. Just PNG. Thank you. Okay, so let's go to the station again. That's okay, we don't need to see. This one I like. That one I like. Let's drag those in. We'll just copy those. I'm just going to copy. Computer, let's just copy. Okay, so we got the space station. We have a base. Okay, so that actually, so that would be our base. These are the towers. Great. Okay. Now we need, you know, the minions. I think they would be, the ships would be really cool. Dude, this is so cool. We could have different types. Oh, hey, son! What's up, sir? Oh, you too, sir. Have a good day at work. This is my first stream on YouTube, and I'm doing a little game jam for 2D since I can't program in 3D. Well, thanks for coming in and saying hi. That's awesome. Okay, so what else do I need here? The minions. I can use these. These are cool right here. Shoot. These are PNG too. Okay, there's a lot. There's too many, in fact, so... So to start real simple, okay, what do we need? Players and minions. So maybe for... It looks like they have done a really good job of doing, like, opposing factions. No worries. I'm just caffeinated up. Don't mind me. Like, I could see these being different factions and stuff, but... Maybe if I'm doing different... Okay, I could even do different minions on the other side. Like, we could have the player minions, and then we could have, like, the AI enemy minions. That'd be cool. This looks like an evil AI minion, doesn't it? Let's copy that guy. It's gonna be cool. And then the player... Let's make the player look really cool, like Buck Rogers or Star Wars. Just kidding. Paste, spaceships. Okay, so that's the enemy minions, that's the player minions, that's cool. You know, if this works out, I could use all of these and just have the player choose, and then the enemy could be a random one. Or the enemy could always be this one and have the player choose from all the rest. Okay, what else? So the player needs a ship, and so the enemy AI needs a ship. So let's do this. I like this one for the player. Copy that. Paste. This one for the enemy to kind of go with that. Would that work? I think so. Copy. Paste. Okay, so let's change the name of these files now that I got them copied over here. Let's go like this. Let's go minion enemy. Okay. And this one is going to be... Was that the player? Yeah, player ship. There we go. This is going to be the player minion. Or the minion for the player. Minion player. And then this will be the enemy ship. And then we got tower and base. Okay, very cool. Okay, so what else do we need? Minion ships, players. This is gonna be so cool. I'm super excited. Projectile. We need 3 types of projectiles. Okay, the tower needs a projectile, the minion, and the player. I think they can all have the same type of projectile at first. We don't really need... Oh. Rockets, huh? Meteors. Yeah, those are okay. Missiles. Wait, did it start a new song? Hold on. Okay. I don't want to use the missiles, maybe effects. Space effects. Wasn't there another graphic I was looking at on here? This one. These would be cool. Look at those. Are they all PNG? I made these bullet thingies for the HTML5 space game I'm developing to learn programming. 2013. Oh, a little bit ago. All right. Hint, color them white, and you can easily change them to any color you want. You can change them to any color you want anyways. So let's just look at a few of these, because these look really cool. They have that little glowy effect and stuff, which would save me from doing... I mean, I'm not going to do a glowy effect, but... Let's see what we got. Okay, so I like the first two. Let's copy those. Whoops, I was in here. PNG, sprites, arena. I like those. Those are awesome. Okay, so let's call this, those look like a burst. And let's call this a laser. Okay, that's really great. Those are awesome. Okay, that's 6 projectiles, and we only needed 3, so maybe we could use... We'll figure it out. It's gonna look so cheesy. Faltz. Hi Jeff, just wanted to say hi from the UK. Hope you're well. Hey Faltz, welcome in. This is my first time streaming on YouTube. Hope the sound's okay and everything. And my computer's also, the GPU is failing, so I hope that everything's coming across. I should ask Sunfire if it was okay too. And how are you doing? What brings you to the stream? Are you a subscriber to my YouTube channel there? Do you do any programming, or do you just like games and graphics and stuff? And I'm doing a little impromptu, literally just starting this game from scratch, so we're gonna see what we can do here. So what would this look like? This is so cool. You know what? I like the base, but I'm thinking as long as I'm looking and I'm using other people's art anyways. Yeah, everything's good on the stream, voice and video, cool. Music is from Starbound. And I just downloaded the soundtrack the other night, so I'm giving it a try. I would really like a circular base. Space station, what's this? That's a ship? That's so small, but that'd be a cool base. That might be a cool base too. A beacon, those would make cool bases. Beacon. I like the detail on those. This Iron Plague seems really cool. It's got a lot of stuff. Grav Beacon. Oh. Looks kind of like... Oh wow, look at that. Looks kind of like one of those bugs in Mummy. Kind of superimposed into it. Assimilated into the... Oh, look at those little gems. Those are cool. Seems to be a lot of stuff for sci-fi. Let's go to 2D art. Let's search. Here we go. Space station. Not much there. Oh, that's cool. I would get too involved with that and I'd have too much fun. We'd be here all day just looking at that. Oh wait, Starbase? Hold up. What? Hold up. Preview? How come it's only showing a portion? Let's download it. What does it look like? What is it? Show me, show me, show me. Base, you might be getting replaced. Let's look at this here. Oh, it's got a normal thing too, which I could do eventually. But oh my gosh, this is the base. We're in love. We are in love. We just fell in love with the base. I love it. Copy. 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 Kennedy space. Yeah, here's where we're at. Okay. Paste. Okay. You know what? Actually, second thought here. Why don't we use this base, this other base, as enemy tower, and then we can have this be the player tower, and then this can be. Oh, should we get another base? No, we'll just have different colors for the enemy and okay. So Starbase. Gosh, that just has a cool name to it. Starbase Text. We're leaving it as Starbase Text. All right, sorry. I'm on too much caffeine. All right. I think we're good. We don't need the meteors, missiles, rocket parts. You know what? You know what? How big are these parts? 16 by 42. Shoot, where's my, you know what? It would be really cool to have parts floating in space as part of the background. Hold on. Let's take all these parts. I am going to do something with all those parts, though. Because there's a lot of them. Hold on. I have a trick. See if I can find it. Is it down here? I think it's right in here. Create texture tiles. I think that might be it. Yeah, that's probably it. Okay. Computer, don't do that. Computer. Oh, I forgot I had it right here. Nice. Okay, so run as admin. All right, here we go. I don't think I have a profile set up. That's good. Okay, we're going to do a little trick here. We're going to do a little trick. Don't forget where I'm at. I think I already have this open too, don't I? No. Because I was looking. Okay, so we don't need that anymore. Don't need that. Okay. So where's this at? There it is. Let's go to that directory. Okay. And then where was that? Oops, I should have saved that one. But I think I can find it. It was pretty easy right here. Create AD stuff, create texture tiles. I think that was the only one. I haven't done this in a while. Creates a single texture from multiple textures, reducing size by a factor specified by input parameters. That's the one. Okay, I like how they're all nice and small too. That's cool. This is going to be cool. Example, create texture tiles, final file name. Okay. So let's do this. Foop. Okay. This is PowerShell, by the way. I'm kind of a PowerShell guru. Use copy scale parameter to enable scaling to copy entire texture down to a scale factor. I don't think we're going to use that. Oh, we need to know how many there are. 98. So 10 times 10. 10 times 10. That will work. Create texture tiles. Final file name, where files? Oh, I have to show it where the files are? Computer. Okay, good. So does it need, it just, okay, so just the directory. Okay. Final file name, PowerShell, okay, whatever. Let's go with that, and then just go, final file name will be space parts all. Do I have to put the PNG? Yeah, PNG. Okay, number of X textures is 10. Number of Y textures is 10. Shoot, Jeff, you got enough? Okay, size copy, copy scale true. We're not going to use that. Okay. Alright, that might do it. Let's see how this works. If it still works. It should. Nope, there's errors. You cannot call a method on a null-valued expression. Oh, I think it might still have worked. Did it produce the file? I don't see it. So what it did was, okay, hold on. Let me make sure it didn't create a file there. Come on, computer, these aren't that. Maybe we have to enable that copy scale thing. Oh, size X copy, size Y copy. So how big are these? 39 by 71. 40, oh. That's okay if I only get part of the file too. So let's see. 26 by 84, so they're kind of all over the place. There's probably like a minimum, like the skinny ones, that's 26. And then how small are these small? Oh, look at these small ones. 28 in height. This one, 16, and so 16 by 16. What if we just copy the 16 by 16 out of them? Size X copy, is that, will that do that? Load image, system drawing bitmap. Temp bitmap equals new object drawing bitmap. Textures, full name, textures, full name, scale factor equals size width divided by size X copy. Copy pixels. See, what's happening is in here, it's trying to get a pixel that doesn't exist, and it's causing all those errors. Final PNG set pixel. So size X copy, size Y copy. Let's try 16 by 16. Copy scale, and how do don't I just say true? $true. Please no errors. Don't. Oh, I didn't see any errors. So dir space, or actually just there it is. Oh sweet, look at that. Okay, so it put him there. That works. That's fine. I really like those first colored ones rather than all the other kind of bland ones. But if they're going to be small and in space, I guess those will look kind of spacey. Okay, it's fine. That's awesome. Looks better right there, doesn't it? It looks better like that. Okay, so what is this now? It's only 160 by 160, so each one's 16 by 16. That's cool. Oh yeah. Now we got our space parts. Okay, so let's just copy that into there. And then we don't need that directory. That was awesome. Okay, so that's really cool. So the PowerShell script compiles all PNGs into one texture. Yeah, it creates a new bitmap, and then it loads each bitmap and it samples the pixels. Given the dimensions that I gave it, the minimum was 16 by 16 from each pixel. From each bitmap, and then it copies into, it copies it into place here. It's really cool. I made that function myself. I was bored at work one night and getting all excited about programming and stuff. So now I can reference those, and they're 10 by 10, which is great because now in the fragment shader that's 0.1. Each one of those is just 0.1. So it's 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, all the way up to 0.9, and there's only 2 missing because we had 98. So 99 and 100, yeah. I could throw in 2 more if I want 2 more. Yeah, it's fine. I think 98 is good enough for just random particles in space. That'll be a nice little ambiance. I'll use that instead of just background stars, which I was planning on doing. That's kind of cool, and maybe I could have those just kind of like, okay. Alright, copyrighted tribute. Mention millionth vector, and if feasible, place a link to his blog. Okay, so let's save this guy since he wants a tribute. And Space Trader next, Starbase. And let's bring that up so I don't forget. Boop. There we go. Okay. So then we won't forget that guy. Some really cool stuff here. I don't know. I don't think I want anything else. This one is really cool. I've seen this one before. Or wait, what's the other one here? What's this one? But this one's really cool. Oh, look at those little guys. Those are cool too. You know, I love pixel art. It's really cool. Pixel art is just... This one's cool too. I'm just going to download it and look at it because, see, look at all the graphics on this one. This would be a good little platformer. Excuse me. You know, maybe that'd be the next thing. I don't know how long it's going to take. Maybe this could be just a few hours. Maybe this could be... Okay, so now what we need to do, oh yeah, so let's go back to looking here. So I just need, all I need to do now is just put textures. And what uses textures? I haven't used textures in a while. I don't think, except for the D&D stuff. And it's built into that. Hold up, I think I might already have that. Remove. Okay, hold on, I don't need to load it in there. I suppose any of these will do, really. So I just want to look for right here. Oh, and the system class too, that's cool. Wonder if I could just use this. Oh, I am GUI. I don't know if I want to even have I am GUI. In this one anyways. Okay, actually I'm going to use a bunch of stuff from here, so let's go like this. File save. Let's just save this as brand new. Where are we at? Let's just call this one the Space 2D Arena. And we're starting, this is 001. Actually, we may not need that many. Yeah. 001. we might need some iterations of that. Okay, I am GUI, GLM, we're going to use STB, perfect, audio. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got to find some audio stuff too. Oh, later. Let's get the graphics going. Okay, so the star, we don't need to use that. Actually, background stars we could use. Blocks, we don't need that. We could change up the ship class, we don't need that. Planets. We don't need planets, but we might want to remember what I did in there. And the bitmap font, we're not going to use that at first, but that might be the way we go with scoring and text on screen and stuff like that. Directions, and that might be better than I am GUI. Sorry, I am GUI. So for now, let's just comment this out. Okay, main space 2D arena 001. Let's include that. It's right at the top there. Okay. So let's just boil this down. Probably going to use bitmap font. Probably going to use those two. This one we want to keep. System space gems. Okay. What all are we going to use there? The input and stuff. I probably should get rid of a lot of this stuff. But for now, let's just keep the system. Let's just get that going. Music we're not going to do yet. Not going to need that. Okay, I'm not going to need any of this stuff. The D&D we're going to use. But let's comment it out for now. Bitmap font we will use. Okay. Keep that for putting in the music eventually. This is cool. I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe it. Okay, the game state. Okay. Don't need that. Don't need that or that. Oh boy, this is huge. I'm lost. I'm lost. Floop. Okay, so we still have the transforms, the star view. I don't think we'll need the star view. Wait. Let's comment it out. I don't think we'll use it though. Cleanup, I am GUI, space star cleanup, space gems, okay. Process input, there's probably a lot of stuff in there I need to delete. I'm sure it'll tell me. I don't need any of this stuff. Acceleration and stuff. Okay, frame buffer, mouse callback. Any errors on any of this stuff? So this is all temp in front, distance. Oh yeah, we don't need that. That's the scroll callback, which is kind of handy. Actually, let's get rid of this and comment that out, because I might want to remember that that's how that works. Okay, show planet, left mouse button, okay. Remove block, get block, okay, alright, let's just, all I want to remember is how we don't need anything inside the if statements. And this one, we don't need that at all. Because that's got left, right, and middle mouse button, I'll remember that anyways, okay. And we don't need this function. Alright. Okay, now we got it down to 334 lines. We probably don't need a couple hundred of those even still, but alright. Does that compile? Cross your fingers. I don't think it's going to work. Did it do? Oh. Oh. It did work. We can change the title. Okay. So we just got a window. That's great. Oh, we still have some debugging in there. Alright, that's fine. Okay. Can I take out all these variables? Pretty sure I don't need any of those. Okay. Game mode. Okay. I am GUI. I have this all saved in the other file anyways. We don't really need these until I decide to use them, but okay, I'll be right back. Excuse me. Actually, I don't think there's any reason why we can't have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 textures. You can use 10 textures, can't you? Pretty sure. Okay. So let's just load them all in. We don't need to change anything else, but... And that's good. Okay. So right here, how many have we got? 10. Let's go alphabetical. Cool. Oh, this only does one. How do you load more than one? I forget. we might have to set that. I don't remember. I think we do. Okay, and then the only other thing that we have to do this, I believe, is these right here. See, he's doing it two different ways, that's fine. But I think in mine, I actually inherit the shader class. So we can just get uniform location, our shader ID, texture 1. So we're going to have all these textures in the shader, texture 1 through 10. Okay. But we can actually call them by what they really are, which would be handy. So let's look again. And let's use the setInt function. Okay. So setInt. Oh, and let's actually, okay, we'll just hard code this. So the first one's 0, right? First one's 0, okay. Okay. So the first one is going to be burst. That's, what's that? Okay. So we'll call that, yeah, just burst. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Enemy ship. Enemy tower. Laser. Okay, we're gonna go with minion, enemy, minion player, player ship. Player tower. I've never worked with so many base. Oh. Well, let's just go like this, parts, all like that. And then star base. Okay. All right, very cool. Okay, so then we'll just reference these in the... I'm not supposed to be on a retired. I'm on too much caffeine, right? So we have all these. And then... in the other one, when we used... so we can actually include this now. Wait, it was right there. Computer, don't do that. There you go. Okay, so Space Arena. And then... this is... let's just change this. Change the name of it and everything, I guess. Let's just call it what? Like that. Position, color, type, size. We're also going to need a rotation. And let's just... we're not going to need that many. How many are we going to need? What are we going to need? Okay, the base, 3 towers. That's 4 on each side, so 8. Minions. You figure minions you're going to need, I don't know. Ships, and then projectiles, each minion. Okay, so let's just go, for now we'll start with 1,000. 4,000. We're just talking points, that's it. Oh, we're also going to need, for this, we're going to need a texture. Texture ID. Type, size, rotation. Okay, that should, because the type, that'll be able to give us into our texture ID for the space parts all. Okay, that's fine. I think that'll work. And then D&D, VAO, VBO. Okay. I know we're redoing everything in this one, but let's leave the variables like that, I guess, for now. So the only thing I changed was the name, and then... and really, we can leave it. We don't have to change it to S Arena. That'd be... we'll just get it working, and then we'll... and then we will change crazy stuff. Okay, so now we have 4,000 points at most. Okay, bind texture. There's going to be a lot more of those. Actually, can we just, there's so many, can we just loop through all of them in here? Can we do that? Should be able to. Okay. So that'll bind all 10 textures. I don't think I've ever worked with this many textures before, but there's a maximum, I think. There's a minimum. No, there's a maximum. Okay. Pretty sure 16 is pretty basic that it'll allow. So, okay. So let's see, that'll work. So what are some of these other functions? Init text, init data. Alright, so let's just go into here. We got the space arena. We have all this other stuff we don't need. If I delete this stuff and there's an error, we'll track it down, but I don't think there will be. Terrain gen, we're not going to do any terrain. Current frame and all that. PSXP, DY. I don't think we need that. We really don't need all this show. We're just going to have one arena and we're just going to be going around the arena, so boop. If there's errors that pop up, we'll get rid of that. Save, start, save, hit. Okay, we don't need the save variables. So let's see, there's an error here. What do we got? Is saving. Process input. Oh, okay, so camera speed. Excuse me, we're not going to use the camera actually. Since this is 2D, we're not going to use the camera. Steering and stuff, we're going to... I don't think we're going to need all this. Yeah, we're not going to need all this. Projection, view, model. I left it in, but I don't think we're going to need it. All we're wanting to do right now, we're not going to use that. Camera speed, tempo. We can pretty much gut all this stuff here. Where's the... Yeah, WSAD, we can keep that, but camera position plus that. So, but that's not how it works in this one. So we don't need these. Oh, those are extra cool. Okay, so acceleration, we can keep that. That'd be good. We can keep this little system. And then rotation, A and D will affect the rotation. So we'll just have like thrusters or whatever. So we don't need those. But let's just comment them out because I'll want to remember how to... X and Z, we're not doing anything 3D. Space, tab, okay. Let's just comment this stuff out. Space, tab, all this stuff. Comment it out. Mouse callback if game states. Okay, real X, real Y, X offset. Oh, I wonder if we could use the mouse. We'll have to figure that out. Hold on. Because that was a really cool way to... But let's... Yeah. Well, we're going to steal that. We are totally stealing that, so that's right. And then this, we'll just comment this out until we need it. Come up here to these errors. What's this? Camera position. We're not needing that. Camera speed. Okay. Is saving. Camera speed. What is this? Process input. We're back in this whole thing is... Oh, it's huge. Process input is huge. Okay, so if not is saving. Key right. Okay, so let's just comment all this out. We don't need any of this. I've already got a large portion already commented out. That's fine. We should just delete it all, really. Okay, so all we want to do is use the D&D now. And this let's call Space Arena. Okay, so we're going to instantiate the object. And then here we will go Space Arena init text. That's all we want to do. We want to initialize the textures and then see if it'll freak out or build error. So what do we get? What? Set point XYZ. Oh, so we've got... Oh, hold on. Did I not go through these? We're not going to use that. We won't need it. I didn't even really look through this update data in it. Well, we're not using it. Let's just make sure it compiles and then we'll go through that. Still errors. What do we get? Init data. Okay, computer. We can get init data. We're not going to use it. Actually, just comment it out. Leave me alone, computer. What else is there here? Oh, some of these file names might be longer. Let's just go like that. Hey, we got everything. Okay, good. And it wouldn't hurt to change the title, which means that we should probably come up in here and go like this. Isn't that the one we're using? Space Gems 111? Okay, so let's just save as Space Arena 001. We'll go in here, we'll load Space Arena 001. There we go. And then in this one, change the name. Bum 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 bum. Okay. Oh, we got some likes. Thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for the likes. Okay, so far so good. I think I'm gonna do lunch, and then we'll come back and we'll get the maybe we'll just start with the debris in space, and then we'll do some stars. We will do background stars. We'll do debris in space, background stars. We will do the base, the towers. We will just randomly put some minions in different rotations. We'll get that set up. We won't do any animations yet and waypoints, but we will do pathfinding and waypoints and stuff. And I'd say that it's not too excuse me, not too difficult to stream on YouTube, so that's pretty cool. All right, this we won't need. What do we do here?